I'm going to create a very simple bouncing ball. Alright, so for this one I'm using construct 2. Okay, first of all we will need to create a layout first. Okay, go to new and then choose new empty project, click on open. Alright, if you to notice this dotted line, okay, we are going to just focus, alright, our games or whatever that we are going to put in, especially a sprite, will be within this dotted line. Okay, so to do that, okay, we are going to actually trim it down, okay, to a smaller window size. Okay, what you need to do is over here, okay, this is the layout size that you're going to use. What you need to do is just click, copy, and then click onto your white space over here. Okay, under the layout size, alright, what you need to do is delete off this and then paste, okay, the layout number that you just copied just now, and then press enter. Okay, so you should have this. Yeah. Okay, next what we're going to do is we are going to create a wall all around. Okay, so insert new object, select sprite. Okay, make it a good habit to always name your sprite, so this one I will just name it as wall. Okay, insert a simple one. Okay, when you click, use the paint bucket. All right, fill up any color that you want. All right, for this one I'll just use dark blue. Okay, I think that should be good enough. Then close it and you should have your sprite inside. Okay, so what you need to do is, all right, okay, flatten the size, make it a bit rectangular. Okay, and then from here, okay, what you need to do is add on a behavior. Okay, click on the plus sign and then choose physic. Okay, why physic? Because you want anything, okay, that touches it to react. Okay, for this one, because we are going to create a bouncing ball, so whenever the ball touches the wall over here, it will actually react. It will either bounce off. Okay, so we already had a bit of physics there, and since the wall, you do not want it to move about. Okay, so what you need to do is make sure that it is immovable, so click yes. Okay, now you do not need to create this all over again. What you need to do is just copy and then paste. Okay, put it at the other end. Okay, and then paste again. Okay, this time around you want to actually rotate it, so under the angle here put it as 90. Okay, then put it somewhere at the bottom here. Okay, and then you can paste it again. Alright, put it as 90. Okay, so just stretch it a bit and you're done. Okay, next, okay, we are going to create a ball. Very simple. Okay, what you need to do is right click again, insert new object, choose sprite and then put it as ball and then insert. Okay, all right, how do you create the ball? You can draw it, or the simplest one, just use the brush tool over here. Okay, and then the size, okay, increase it to maybe 120. Okay, hardness, make sure that is up to the maximum. Okay, click somewhere in the middle. All right, and then trim it. Okay, but the most important part is you must make sure that the origin is right smack in the middle. Okay, because when you want the ball to rotate, it have to be rotating on its axle, which is right in the middle here. Okay, just to make it a bit more, I think what realistic. Okay, so I'm going to actually do some okay, effect over here, not so much of an effect. Okay, just to show that okay, there is a reflection on the ball. so that when we actually put it inside our uh, playing area, okay, we will know whether it's rotating or not. Yeah? Okay, just click it off. If it is a bit too big, reduce the size. Okay, of course for this one, if let's say if you feel that the color is not right, okay, you want to change it to any other color, what you can do is just double click and it will go back to the color editor over here. Okay, just make sure that you use the pen bucket. Okay, maybe I would just choose a purple ball and then just click inside and then it's done. Yeah, okay, but for this one, of course, it will need a behavior. Okay, since we are using physic, we will also be using physic for the ball. Okay, just click on add physic, done. Okay, all right, for the ball, okay, you want it to be moving. All right, so leave it under the immovable over here, leave it as no. But on the collision mask, okay, we are going to actually use circle because it's a ball. Okay, so that when it touches, all right, it will touches exactly around the round edge over here. Okay, let us just try how it will look like. Okay, it may take a bit of time to actually show. It should be up anytime. Okay, you can see that it is bouncing, right? So let us just go back. Okay, just this one you can close it. All right, now, okay, for its bounciness over here, you can actually check. Okay, density means is how heavy it is. Friction, of course, if it's rolling down, okay, the higher the number, the slower it will actually move. Okay, elasticity is how bouncy it is. So let us just see what we can do with it. Okay, let me just copy from here and then paste it. Okay, I'm going to reduce the size. Okay, you can use this, okay, to actually rotate, right? So and then leave the ball somewhere around here. Okay, let's just see whether what will happen. Okay, friction, I will leave it as it is. Elasticity, maybe I will put it as 0.9. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, it is much more bouncier. We are going to create something else. All right, so let's just close this, go back over here. All right, what we're going to do is we are going to create a crate, okay, or a box. So maybe I just put wooden box. All right, wooden box and insert. Yeah, simple one. Okay, maybe I just choose something of a dark color over here. Okay, so fill up. Okay, and then I will just use a lighter color for the middle part. Okay, so you are going to use rectangle. Okay, the next one we are going to use the line tools over here. Okay, but I'm going to use the same color. Okay, what I'm going to do, I use the color picker, click on it, and it should give you, okay, this color over here. So I'm going to use the line tool over here. Okay, the thickness is a bit too thin, so I'm going to undo. Undo will be somewhere around here. Okay, so thickness maybe 30. Okay, so I'm going to just stretch it this way and then the other side that way. Okay, I think that should be good. Right, click on. If it's too big, just reduce the size accordingly. Okay, what you're going to do is you are going to actually add the behavior also, right, like what we always did. Okay, this one will be physic, right? Okay, and we can put in the density a bit more than the ball because if it's of the same weight, what happens that the ball will actually push the box of this slope. So maybe we'll change it to 4. Alright, okay, let's just close this. You can copy and paste it. Paste it again. We're going to do a few over here. Paste it again. Paste one more. Okay, so let us see what happened. Click on it, and then over here. Okay, so maybe what happened is that the slope is a bit too angled. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is let me just close this. Okay, maybe what I can do is put it somewhere here, and then the angle less steep. Okay, but as long as the ball is able to, okay, maybe this one I'll just move it slightly nearer. Okay, then we try again. Okay, now we won't be able to actually do something to this. Alright, then the next best option is whenever you click on the box, and then it will disappear so that the ball can continue to roll, maybe bounce off this box, and then we will prepare another box so that we can actually get the ball to be inside the box. Okay, so let's go over here. Okay, what we are going to do is, okay, now we will need to have an input for this one. Okay, if let's say we are playing using the laptop, so most of the time we are only going to actually use the mouse pointer over here. So the input will be touch. Alright, so insert new object. Okay, this point of time, choose input over here. Don't use mouse, alright, because you may actually want to play this on your mobile device. So touch would be the best option. So click on touch and then insert. Alright, you won't see anything over here, but if let's say you have to look at the project bar, you will see the icon touch over here, so you know that it is already added in. Okay, now we are going to use the event sheet. Okay, under the event sheet, what you need to do is add event. Okay, so touch next. Right, on tap object. Okay, for is touching object, but for this one is alright to actually use on tap object. Okay, and then next, so it will ask what object are you going to actually touch. So it would be the wooden box. Press OK and then done. Right, so add action. Okay, what will happen to the wooden box when you touch it? So click on wooden box, and the next option will be destroy. Okay, and then done. Alright, so let us see what happened. Okay, alright, so when you click on the box, okay, you can make it disappear. In fact, all the boxes, okay, you can actually click. Alright, so what's the objective of this particular game? Okay, is to actually get this ball to fall into another box. Okay, so whenever you actually manage to do that, then you will have a big sign over there say that you did it or something like that. Okay, so we are going to actually create that box. Okay, very simple one. Okay, reduce this. Let's go to the layout. All right, we are going to create another object. Sprite. This time we are going to use crate. Okay, I'm going to name it crate so that I don't confuse it with the wooden box. So I'll go put an insert. All right, simple one. All right, what we are going to do is, okay, we are going to use this. Okay, this time around, let us just see whether if I can choose any other color. What color will be suitable? Okay, maybe this one. Okay, just put one corner over here, here, and here. Okay, and the next thing that we are going to do is, okay, we are going to actually set the collision polygon. what this is that, okay, if let's say if you have this, okay, whatever you do, the ball will touch this corner and it will bounce off. So you will need to actually make this part over here to be blank. All right, so when you click on this red dot over here, you will have, okay, an additional dot. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a few dots. Okay, click it here. This one, just move it down. Okay, and then you can click one more time here so that we have it at the corner, and then put the other one here. Okay, that's it, and then you can close it. Okay, if it's too big, what we're gonna do is make sure that it is a bit small. Okay, and again, behavior will be physic, because if you don't put it there, what happens is that, you know, the ball will actually go through. Okay, it will not go inside the box. All right, so click on add. Okay, all right, and make sure that it is immovable. You don't want this to actually move, so click yes. All right, so let us try, but before that, let us see whether can the ball fit in. Okay, you can stretch it a bit if you want to. Okay, make it a bit smaller. Alright, just position it just exactly on the wall over there, and then let us just try. Okay, alright, so let us see whether can we put the ball inside the crate. Can we? Oh no. Okay, so this is the challenge. Alright, sometimes the ball is a bit too bouncy. Okay, so you can try another way. Okay, maybe what you can do is, okay, try it a few times to see whether, if let's say you can actually put the ball inside the, okay, inside the crate. Okay, but if let's say you really can't, what you can do, okay, you can adjust it a bit. Okay, just, you can click on the ball over here, and then the elasticity you can put it as 0.6. all right, let's just try that, whether does it work. And then let us see, click on the box. Okay, now it's not that bouncy, but then again, it will still bounce off. Okay, let's just try one more time. Okay, click off this one and then click this. Okay, this is the challenge for your player lah. Okay, you can see that actually it fits in, and it just what